Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Google Keep Notes with Apple Notes, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you're switching from Android to iPhone or just want your notes available on both platforms, this guide will help you keep everything in sync easily and efficiently. So, stay tuned and follow along. First is open your settings. In the settings, scroll down and click Apps. In the Apps, find the Mail and click it. In the Mail, click the Mail accounts. In here, click Add Account. Select Google and start to signing in. After signing in, don't forget to turn on the notes so your Google Keep Notes can sync with Apple Notes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sync Google Keep with Apple Notes in 2025. Now your notes are always accessible no matter which device you're using. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech guides and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.